Hello, my friends. Welcome back to a new fun video about spring. So yesterday, Miss Alina read a beautiful poem to you about the weather that we see in spring. Do you remember our word weather? W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Weather in spring can be, yes, a sun for sunny weather. S-U-N, sun. What else? What other weather can we have in spring? We can have cloudy weather. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. And we also can have rainy weather. These are raindrops that fall from the sky. R-A-I-N-D-R-O-P-S, raindrops. Excellent. So today, Miss Alina wants to talk to you about rainy weather. Yes. So I want to ask you a question, and I want you to think for me for a minute. When you see rain outside falling from the sky, can you hear it? You can. So let me ask you another question. What do you think rain sounds like? That's right. It falls and it sounds splashy sometimes if it falls on the ground. So one more question. When you hear rain, does it sound like this? Yes. Rain does sound like that, right? Yes. So what we're going to do today is we are going to try to create our own rain sound. Doesn't that sound exciting? Yes! So I'm going to show you what we are going to use to create our rain sound like you heard in what Miss Alina just showed you. Okay? Yes. So who knows what this is? That's right. It's a paper towel roll. So we're going to use this paper towel roll, and we are going to use some, what do you see here? That's right, rice. This is dried rice. We're also going to use some of that, and we're going to need tape and a scissor. But remember, be careful with the scissor and away from your bodies. Don't play with them. So we're going to need that and crayons and a marker and some paper. So Miss Alina is going to use some paper towels. These are the paper towels that usually come on the roll. So you could use paper towel, or you can also use construction paper. If you have white paper, you can use white paper and you can color it if you want. So now I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So Miss Alina is going to take the paper and I'm going to fold it. I'm folding the paper towel because it's a little thin. So it's a little bit heavier and thicker. I'm going to fold it. And then I'm going to put it down. I'm going to use two things. You can either use the paper towel roll. What shape is this? A circle. So you can use the circle of the paper towel roll, or you can find something in your home that is the shape of a circle. Excellent. So you can use either one you want. So we're going to take it and we're going to put it on the paper towel. And Miss Alina is going to take her marker and we're going to trace a circle. We're going to try to make the circle as little big as we can. So we're going to need two circles because we have one end here and one end here, and we're going to have to cover both ends. So we're going to we have one circle, and now we're going to make another one right here like this. Excellent. You can also take your crayons, and you can color your paper towel roll. You can color it, you can draw pictures on it, you can decorate it however you want. Then we have to take our scissor and we have to cut our circles like this. Okay? And then we have to cut the other circle like this. So now we're going to take one of the circles that we cut out and we're going to put it on top of one end of the paper towel roll. And then we have to take some tape. Miss Alina already took some tape and cut it over here so it's a little bit faster. So mommy and daddy can help you if you need help. So you can hold it and then you take the tape and you put it all over so you can tape down the paper. You have to put a lot of tape so that your rice doesn't come out later. Just like this. So cool. Lot of tape. And then what we're going to do is take your rice. Miss Alina put rice in a little cup. Take some rice and pour it inside. It's okay. You can put a little bit. You can put a lot. Pour it inside. So now we have rice inside. So we're going to stand it up. And we're going to take the other circle. And we're going to put the other circle on top. And we're going to tape it. Just like we did with the other one. So let's see. Miss Alina needs a little more tape. So I'm going to get a little bit more tape. Like this. And you're going to tape it all around. Like this. So Miss Alina made one before. I made one before to show you how I did it. So I have two now. And now we're going to see how we can hear the sound of rain. Are you ready? You move it around like this. Did you hear it? Yes. So what do you think? Do you think that our paper towel roll filled with rice, do you think it sounds like rain that Miss Alina showed you and that you see outside? What do you think? Yes, it does, right? I love it. That is so much fun. So when you hear rain outside and it's coming down a lot and so heavy, sometimes it's called a rainstorm. Rainstorm. R-A-I-N-S-T-O-R-M. A rainstorm is when we get a lot of rain falling from the sky. And this is what our rain sounds like. Excellent, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed this project so much and you have a fun time at home making your own rain sounds with your families. So I hope to see your rain musical instruments soon. Bye, my friends.